Hey guys, I'm Nick from Never Lift. This is my AE86 Trueno, and today we're going to be changing the diff out.
All right guys, we're back today and we've pulled out Nick's old diff, which is a 4.1 diff ratio, and we've gone to the 4.7 diff ratio. This is my old diff. This one has billet axles, polished crown and pinion. Nick's one's got a bit of a noise from the last drift day, and it was a terrible ratio. So we're going to go to the 4.7, and I've convinced Nico to come pick up my diff, which was sitting in the back corner of my workshop. We're going to put this in today. We've already pulled this one out. We've gone for a drive already in this car, so we can get a bit of a feel. We've done some draggy results. So we're going to see what the 20 to 60 kilometers an hour was. We're going to compare it against this diff. What do you reckon, Nick? You excited?
It's perfect timing now because my diff needs work. You've got this diff sitting here doing nothing, so may as well get a bit of an idea of what I like more. Obviously the trade-off's going to be RPM at highway speed. So we're going to drive this thing, see if I like it, and depending on the decision I make, that's what I'll do with my current diff. It needs a refresh, so we're going to have to work out what kind of ratios I'm going to go for. So let's get into it, guys.
Let's go.
The only thing we're going to change is that nipple, but I'd rather do it outside in the shade.
In the shade. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
So you got to go back and I'll come around.
Yep, that's all right.
Backwards.
I've done this with my 9-inch by myself.
Fuck that.
Are you roasting that you got a beige diff going in your car?
No, I don't care. No one's going to see it.
You know why it's beige?
Because it used to be white and it's faded.
No.
Why?
It was beige was the cheapest box of paint at Bunnings at the time.
It's Bunnings paint?
It's Bunnings. leave it loose, but like nip it back up.
Why?
Just because it's bled, so we want to change over quick. You know what I mean?
Who cares? We're using that one.
Okay.
This is my problem. This is a future Nico problem.
Yeah.
I don't really care about future Nico. Future Nico can get fucked.
Oh shit.
Imagine if I just kept all the footage of you saying questionable shit.
Questionable shit.
And then I'd have so much evidence against you I could blackmail you.
You're just collecting evidence.
I'll do a nice edit for you. Oh, it's good. Oh, geez.
It's almost as if I've done this before.
That's good.
Going in.
You've been talking about this moment for so long.
We got bottom 4. Oh, these go on. Okay, I'm on my link.
So am I.
Okay, cool. Let's just
see if we can get a bolt in this bitch.
Yeah.
Would you like a pry bar?
I had it lining up really good a second ago.
I actually have a set of premium pry bars if you'd like. You have a ratchet.
Yeah, I have a little socket extension. Maybe don't use my ratchet for that, but
this is fine, isn't it?
She's
have you never used a ratchet as a hammer?
Of course I have, but it's getting old now.
Are you worried about it?
Yeah, I actually am.
Did you put a washer on this?
Oh shit!
Nice save.
Man, that was close. That was like some
how'd you do that?
Indianapolis Jones shit. It was in my pocket. We'll just start moving parts across.
I tell you what, if the garage door hit the front of the bonnet, I just have to get a carbon bonnet then. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, it is.
Don't stress yourself out.
I want it.
Oh, the paint is just immaculate. I love the beige.
That's good, eh? Do you know what time we started?
I didn't check. We should have got a fucking thumbnail.
And then you go, did I just turbo my white car? Which should be like the thumbnail.
So much faster now. Feels turbo.
Are you taking the piss out of me, you fucking dog?
It's like, does my hair look good? It looks amazing.
You're a fuckwit, eh? Huh?
You don't have to tighten it that much, do you?
I don't know. I'm not going to be responsible for the diff falling out of this car, alright? My 2 4-link are done.
Thank you.
My strut's done.
Oh, you got 2 17 mils?
Yeah, I got 3.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't fuck around. It's the liquid intelligence.
That's tight enough, is it? All right.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. I'll just tighten them up, bro.
You know, it gets real loose when the bolt snaps.
Yeah, it's bad when it goes righty-loosey.
Yeah. Are the shifters behind you? Oh, no, they're over there.
I'm so used to working on my Corolla with all its heavy-duty stuff. These tiny little tail shaft bolts are like comical.
Oh, yeah.
In size.
Don't laugh at my nuts. See? When you don't go heavy duty, you get Toyota brilliance. You get to experience Toyota in all its brilliance. You're like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, Toyota's brilliance doesn't hold 650 horsepower.
I like that.
Cool. Do you see how my tail shaft was hitting there?
Yep.
And then I hit it with the hammer and painted it again?
Yep. Nice.
Did you see my fuel line? That used to be 4.
Very nice.
6 mil, I've made it 8.
That's nice.
And I used my old return as the return.
The feed is your old.
Sorry, the old feed is my return.
Yeah, it's killer. Very nice. I like it.
Did you see that I painted my fuel tank?
I did see that. Nico, don't worry. I've noticed a lot.
Could you pass me your hammer?
No.
I just passed the hammer, just so I can show the camera.
You know I like claw hammers.
The trusty hammer.
Yeah. That's not the trusty hammer. The claw hammer's the trusty hammer, bro. Fair enough. Works.
It works so well.
It does.
I don't know why anyone
What the
would
hell's
buy a
this
hammer.
washer?
It is now.
Alright, so we'll do the side bolts first and we'll just bring the diff up.
This epoxy floor is extremely nice.
It's nice to work on, eh?
You can slide it around.
Yeah.
Did you hand me some bolts?
They're chrome work. Do you want some rubber grease for this or anything, or do you just want?
It's temporary, man. It'll be fine.
You know, temporary turns into permanent sometimes. I don't see myself getting this diff back for 12 months, which is fine. Hold.
Let
Pump.
me just check the reservoir.
Yep. Is it getting better?
Yeah. But
Pump,
I
pump,
think
pump.
there must be air in the other side too, you know?
Yeah, there is, yeah. These fans have been a lifesaver, eh?
Man, today's been disgusting.
I thought you said today was going to be mad, because we've got some work done.
I know, but like the weather,
Yeah,
it's been disgusting, man.
it's been rough. Yeah, they're a killer if you don't tighten them up right, eh?
Yep.
Tension wrench religiously.
What's that?
It's a wrench that tells you tension.
Ah,
Work by the name.
interesting.
Yeah.
You'd think I'd know that, you know, like after being
Yeah, I'm surprised.
spending so much time in an engine room and shit.
I'm surprised.
I've never seen engine builders use them.
I went to the Snap-on convention and they, dude, the tyre bald as hell, bro. What the shit?
Which tyre?
This tyre.
No,
There's
it's
nothing
not.
left on the outside.
Fuck off.
It's fucking finished.
Where?
Where's the marks? Bald.
Oh, it's fucking immaculate.
You're fucking roasting.
So you reckon it's going to be twice as fast?
I reckon
6 times as fast.
3 times faster.
Really? Let's go. You probably have to wait till I stop.
What?
I think it's like locks up and then when I stop it'll fucking free up. Watch.
You're joking.
Watch, ready?
What? How does that work?
Have you ever redone your seatbelts before?
Nah.
You gotta put them in a clamp or like a vice.
Yeah.
And you gotta put them on the same angle. You know how they're on the angle
Yeah.
in the car?
Yeah.
That's the angle you got to put them in, because if you put them in the vice on a fucked angle, they lock up because they think they're in an accident.
No.
Or even if you let it, like you also want to be careful not to let it like you unspool it, but then once
Yeah.
you take the belt out,
You've
you
got
don't
to
want
keep
it,
the
you
thing.
don't want it to spool up again.
Yeah. Your speedo's calibrated perfect.
Oh, cool.
Set. Okay, I'm ready when you are. Okay, so
I actually had to jam it into second. It ground a little bit.
yeah,
Did you hear it?
yeah. So it was either the shifter not being like
Or maybe my clutch is not all,
or
all
the
way.
clutch. But you got 20 to 60 was 2.94 and 0 to 60 was 4.33.
Okay.
Now that's kilometers an hour. Should I show the camera?
Yeah, why not?
Those are the results.
So the other thing that I want to check now, being the standard diff, is the highway RPM.
Yep.
All right, so this is 4th gear. 90.
You need a wheel balance.
Yeah, I know. So that's 4,000 RPM at 90. Then 4th.
98. Yeah, we're doing 100.
Oh, sorry, 100.
Yeah. 96, 95, 96.
It's about 4,000 RPM.
That's in 4th.
4th.
Yeah.
And now we go 5th.
Oh yeah.
Can you count the bars? 3.
Why is your gear detection only in 4 still?
Because dodgy tuner.
Oh, yeah. Of course.
So what's that RPM? 3,300?
33, oh Jesus. That fucking brake's pretty good.
I'm just checking.
Maybe go to Poggy Street.
That's my auntie.
Is it?
Yeah. You don't want to kick you out on me.
No.
Be careful. She's racing. Yeah, it's quicker. Okay, it's a bit quicker. Okay, it's fucking heaps faster. Yeah.
You're just bitching it. You just got to rev it out. Tell me that ain't quicker,
It's
son.
fucking quicker.
Tell me that ain't quick, bro. Hear it come up. Wah!
Yeah.
Like it just comes up, bro.
Yeah, it's a fucking monster now. You see, it still has that same pull.
Yeah.
It's if I roll into it, the difference is how it comes up.
Yeah.
And that's what the difference is. So the
Yeah.
power's the same if I'm just working through the rev range.
Yeah.
But off the line, it's definitely.
And that's sort of where you want it.
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
It's actually.
20 to 6309, 0 to 6422.
It actually, having that feels like having the more power off the line felt like I could control it more. You know, before I was clutching it,
Yeah.
I had slight wheel spin there, but I had a good launch.
Yeah.
That felt more controllable than before.
Yeah.
I like it, man.
Yeah.
It's very nice. We'll see what the highway's like.
I think you'll be okay. Like I said, you'll be up in higher in the RPM,
But
but
it's a 4.8, mate.
it's mate.
fucking 4.8.
The thing's designed to fucking rev, bruh. Whatever, bruh.
But the big thing is it's noticeable.
Yeah.
And it's
Even-
not whining like my old Diff used to.
That's quiet,
I
isn't
could
it?
never catch the whine on the camera, but
How quiet is it?
The car's chill now. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to be like. Okay, so this is 100.
No, we're doing 86.
Oh damn.
So 90, 97, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100, 100, 116.
3,800. 3,800. Yeah.
Yeah. So 4,200 used to be, I think, my highway speed. Like 110 highway speed, 4,200.
Yep. That wasn't bad.
That was
But
easy.
Your highway speed was 110 though, was it?
Yeah, when I was doing highway speed, it's 4,200. So you were 3,800?
Yes.
Yeah, so it makes sense. 4,200 will be 110. That was third, coming from a slow speed.
I've noticed that.
Yeah.
I like driving my car in the low rev range when I'm on the street when I'm cruising, and having this short ratio seems that the car's happier doing that.
Yeah.
No, thanks for this, man. It's fucking awesome.
Mm.
I've got to do a bit of work on my diff now. I think highway driving's fine.
It's fine, dude. I've done it. When you're ready.
Ready?
Yep.
I was fighting the wheel spin.
But 20 to 60 was 3.04.
It's faster by a touch.
Yeah. 0 to 60 is 3.97. Where's the SD card in this?
On the side?
On this.
No, other side.
There.
You got to like click that little
That,
latch there.
down. Yeah, and then just press it in and out.
You're gonna eat it.
I would if they fucking pull us over.
Ah, don't worry about it. We're not doing anything crazy.
Tell me that's not faster.
Feels good, man.
20 valve 4.8 GE build. Hey Matt, seeking a price on a forged 20 valve build with some more aggressive cams, current setup. Haltech 1500. Nick, if you're watching this video, I'm reading your email on live, alright? So I'll get back to you at some point. I'm flat out doing diff changes with Nico.
Yeah, so we're going to end the video there, guys.
No, we're not. Hold on, we're going to do some helis.
Depending on when we, depending on how this driveway looks, we might be able to get the drift cart out. But we do appreciate you guys. If you stayed this far, we're going to have a little special feature here. We're going to have the drift cart out, have some fun, and then we're going to close the video out. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you next time.
All the fun stuff. See you guys.